My name is Imperial Fahim Washington. I'm the son of one of the sons we are two, Imperial Nicholas Messe. I would not like to use deceased or late because according to our religion, the people who die, they just rest, but they still be with us. I would like to thank my dad for being there for all of us, my sister Rihanna, and my brother Troy, and also all our mothers. I would like to thank my mother, my other mother, Mommy Aisha, for also supporting to bring our father back, because they would have buried him in the States, because it's a lot of money to bring someone back here in Uganda. I would like to thank my father's friends. I would like to thank my siblings of my mother's side and father's side. I would like to thank the people of the States. I won't say a lot of words because I'll start bringing out tears when I bring the memories of our dad, how he treated us well.
Very sorry.
I would like to not say the memories, sorry for not saying the memories, but I feel nervous. But may our father, Imperial Nicholas Abdul Karim, aka Messe Bontwe, may his soul rest in peace, and we pray he goes to Jannah. Thank you.
My name is Imperial Troy Karen and I am 12 years old. I only have a few words to say about my dad to avoid getting emotional. Dad has been the most kindest and caring person I've ever known. He has paid for me school fees every time I needed it. Special thanks to all friends of my dad living in the United States of America and everyone who made sure that my dad gets a decent burial. Thank you so much, Uncle Alex, and our singers for living for us. To my brother, Papa, and my sister Rihanna, may God comfort us. Rest in peace, Dad.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rihanna Chamendo, daughter to Imperial Nicholas Abdul Karim. Firstly, I would love to thank the group that were in US who helped organize my father back here. We're really grateful. Thank you so much. I also want to thank my mom members back at home. They've really been with us through this situation, and we are very grateful. I also love to thank some of Daddy's friends, family, those who have come around, passed by to say hi. Yeah. I would also love to thank Aunt Aisha for being concerned and checking on us. We're really grateful. Overall, I would love to thank all of you who are here for coming.
Omwami rekakannebazeeko omwami mugawala weebalire ssebo weebalire ddala olwebyo byonna by'okoze. N'omwami abadde kakiiko akabadde katambuza meetings, mwami Alafa, abalala bannayimu n'asonyiwa bwe mba sibamenye mannya, naye mwenna mubaddewo ku Rampire okuba nti akomezebwawo mu mirembe. Afande Ide, webale nnyo nnyabo kubanga bino byonna tuli wano nga tewali kacyankalano konna lwa mukyalo ono. Webale nnyo afande. Baganda ba omwami Imperial Nicholas, balamu bange, Mwebale nnyo bambi okumbeererawo mu byonna. Tebandekeredde okuva omwami lwe yava mulamu bw'ensi babaddewo era mbeebaza olw'ekyo. Mukama abampeera omukisa omwoyo gwa Messe, Mukama gulamuzisa be yasobya mumusonyiwe kubanga buli muntu asobya.
Neze mama Troy. Kitalo nnyo kya bbaawo. Which grade?
Primary 7, I'm going to primary 7.
You are the firstborn. Next time. So what do you do? School?
River College.
Which class?
Senior 4.
You are going to sit senior 4?
Yes, I want to sit senior 4.
What's your name, sir?
Here, Troy Carroll.
Which school?
I was in St. Charles. So I'm going to get this. I'm waiting for my results of PL.
Yeah. Good luck. Let's go down. Ayi Katonda abalanga tuyimiridde. Ayi Katonda omuyinza buli kintu. Okufiirwa taata si kintu kyangu. Ekituli ekiri mu mitima gy'abaana bano. Okufiirwa omwami ekituli ekiri mu mitima gya nnamwandu. Ayi Mukama, Bayibuli egamba nti gwe mubeezi atabulawo mu kulaba ennaku. Era Bayibuli namba ekuyita taata Bamulekwa era gwe bba wa nnamwandu. Just to encourage you guys, nafiirwa taata wange mu bifo mwami Architect yammanyi. Nali simanyi kiddako. Naye Katonda andabiridde okutuusa leero. Nsaba nammwe mugumire mu Katonda. Tumubakwasizza, ayi Katonda. Ye kennyini abateekeko amaaso ge. Katonda ababeere muveemu abantu ab'amaanyi. Katonda ayambe abazadde bammwe. Katonda ayambe Honorable Peter Sematimba amukwatireko nnyo nga bwe yeeyamye.
Export TV to the world.